Hello, cat loving friends. Guess what? I've got a heated cat house. It's like a cat cave. Comes in 2 pieces and it provides the heating pad inside and everything. So let's check it out, see how my kitties like it. And the one cover. And then here's the top. I like this cover that's on it. It's nice and soft. And you can easily unzip it if you need to wash the cover. You have to kind of line up the 2 edges. And this little piece right here has to catch. Like that. And once it's caught, you just pull it like that to zip it around. Take the paracord right here and just kind of work it through. Just pulls right through. You can get it plugged in, and this is the controller. And it's real easy to set it for how long you want it. Put that right here. Level 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. You like it? It's a little bed in there. How do you like that little bed?